If you use the wrong pin when completing a task, it can be fixed. Here you can see we had a 12-yard drop off for Brandon Lawson today, and we used pin number 1205. We wanted to use 1211. So to fix this, head over to the dumpsters page, click on your dumpsters, and then put in the dumpster that you wanted to use, 1211. Click on it, head over to current, and here we're going to search for the client. See Brandon, and then we need to select the drop-off task, and that was task 1496, that 12-yard drop-off for today, and hit update current. Now that pin number has been updated to the correct client and task. If we want to fix the previous pin number 1205, we need to go over to the current, and then let's just say this one was still in the yard. So we'll make sure everything is correct here. We'll switch it to now and then select our main yard and update. And now that one's listed in the main yard.